Welcome back. MP-elect for South East St. Catherine, Dr. Alfred Dawes, is looking forward to Portmore managing its own affairs, which he believes will allow him to put his expertise in health to better use for the residents. With a law already passed making Portmore a parish, Dawes wants to make every effort to ensure the health of the people comes first.
Dr. Alfred Dawes carrying the weight of a party loss at the general election. No smiles, no jubilation for securing victory at the polls as a first-time Member of Parliament.
It still hasn't sunken in. I mean, the feeling is really bittersweet now because we didn't make it nationally, but I have to be thankful that I am making it. But the celebration is a bit subdued in my head, but the constituents and the workers, they're loving it.
Newcomer Dawes, who defeated one-term Member of Parliament Robert Miller, is keen on getting to work in the constituency.
We are going to start the consultations with all the citizens associations. We're going to make the CDF, the Constituency Development Fund, a child of the constituency consultation. So you're not going to have a situation where the MP is telling you how it was spent, what we're going to sit and decide how the allocation is going to go. The other thing we want to really start advocating for is the Board of Health. We want to manage our own affairs. They've gone ahead and passed the law to make Portmore a parish. Even before that comes into reality, we want to have our own Board of Health.
And with that, Dawes says it will become easier to deal with a particular annoyance which will now receive priority attention.
Simple things like the vector control. We have a serious problem with mosquitoes, and that's coming from drain cleaning, which we're going to address immediately. And the vector control program, which is run by the Ministry of Health, we want to move that to the municipality right now. Let Portmore handle its own vector control. We would take charge of our own public health affairs. It won't be just the St. Catherine Health Department. And the prime example is going to immediately affect Portmore residents is that we will control our own fogging teams. So it won't be a fogging team that's spending two days in St. Catherine South and then another 2 days in Southeast St. Catherine, and then they're gone to other areas of St. Catherine. We will have a Portmore fogging team that's going to make sure that we are controlling the mosquitoes, and we can sit outside in the parks that we plan to rehabilitate and create additional green spaces that we are going to create.
Dawes, well aware of any resistance to his plans and expectations, is in advance entertaining more than optimistic thoughts.
With strong advocacy, I think we're a much stronger opposition now, and I believe that we have to leverage that as well, getting consensus on certain things. We're getting what we need for our constituents. So it's not just JLP MPs getting the projects and the taxpayer spend.
For CVM News, I'm Damon Phillips.